Scientists are calling it a dolphin emergency in the northern Gulf of Mexico, and the federal government is calling it an unusual event.
Just in the past year, hundreds of dolphins have been found stranded, mostly in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Could the dolphin deaths be related to the oil spill? Maya Rodriguez has the story.
With an increasing number of dead dolphins showing up along the Gulf Coast, scientists are scrambling to keep up and find the reason behind the deaths.
Everybody knows that there is something going on. What that something is what we're working really hard to try to find out. We are doing necropsies almost on a weekly basis.
There have been more than 340 strandings along the northern Gulf of Mexico since last November. One of the more recent ones was here at the Wrigley's, a dolphin stranding just last week. This map shows where the dead marine mammals have been found, mostly dolphins, since January 1st of this year. The 3 pink dots indicate dead ones found along the coast just in the last week, 1 in Mississippi, 2 in southeast Louisiana. The federal government declared the area, quote, an unusual mortality event. Whether the deaths are related to last year's oil spill is still not clear, but some environmental advocates say the signs are there.
We do know that ultimately BP put a historic amount of oil in the Gulf of Mexico, in the marine habitat that the dolphins live in the coastal habitats the dolphins use, and then they topped it off with a historic amount of dispersant.
Is it an emergency for the dolphins in the northern Gulf right now?
It is.
Dr. Moby Solangi is director of the Institute for Marine Mammal Studies in Gulfport. Because of the ongoing federal investigation into the oil spill, he says he and other scientists are not allowed to analyze their samples or discuss any findings. But he says the dolphin deaths indicate trouble.
If these animals are not healthy, then ultimately we may not be healthy.
It's a question of health with no easy answers for a vital ecosystem. In Gulfport, Maya Rodriguez, Channel 4 Eyewitness News.
So far this year, only one live dolphin, which was found stranded, has survived and